I have been using the Eskute T300 Pro folding electric trike for a while now, and I can honestly say it has completely transformed the way I travel and enjoy my free time. From the moment I assembled it, I could tell that it was built with quality and attention to detail. Every component feels durable, well-made, and designed for long-term reliability. The frame is sturdy without feeling overly bulky, and the overall design strikes a great balance between practicality, comfort, and modern styling. It immediately gave me confidence that I had made the right investment. The riding experience has been nothing short of exceptional. The electric assistance is incredibly smooth and responsive, providing exactly the right amount of power when needed without feeling sudden or difficult to control. Whether I'm riding on flat roads, gentle hills, or longer routes, the motor performs consistently and quietly. It makes every journey much more enjoyable while reducing the effort required, allowing me to ride farther than I ever could on a traditional bicycle. The pedal assist modes are easy to use, and switching between them is simple, making it easy to customize each ride based on terrain or personal preference. One of the standout features for me is the three-wheel design. The added stability provides an incredible sense of security, especially when stopping, starting, or riding at lower speeds. I never have to worry about balancing the trike, which makes every ride feel much more relaxed and enjoyable. This stability also makes it an excellent choice for people who simply want a more comfortable riding experience without sacrificing performance or convenience. Comfort is another area where this electric trike truly shines. The seat is generously padded and offers excellent support, making long rides comfortable without causing soreness or fatigue. The supportive backrest adds another level of comfort that is difficult to find on many other bikes or trikes. Even after spending hours exploring local parks, neighborhoods, or scenic routes, I still feel relaxed rather than exhausted. The riding position is natural and ergonomic, reducing strain on my back, shoulders, and wrists. The folding capability has proven to be much more useful than I originally expected. Despite being a full-sized electric trike, it folds down conveniently, making storage much easier in my garage. It also provides additional flexibility whenever I need to transport it or simply save space. This thoughtful feature adds tremendous value and makes ownership much more convenient. The battery life has consistently exceeded my expectations. I can complete multiple trips or enjoy extended recreational rides before needing to recharge. Charging is straightforward, and the removable battery makes the process even more convenient. I especially appreciate the confidence of knowing I have enough range to enjoy longer adventures without constantly checking the battery level. The cargo capacity is another huge advantage. The spacious baskets make everyday errands incredibly easy. Grocery shopping, carrying backpacks, transporting small packages, or bringing along picnic supplies has become effortless. Instead of taking my car for short trips, I now find myself choosing the trike whenever possible because it is enjoyable, economical, and surprisingly practical. It has genuinely changed my daily routine in a positive way. The handling feels smooth and predictable, while the braking system inspires confidence in all conditions. Even when carrying extra cargo, the trike remains stable and easy to control. The wide tires provide excellent grip while helping absorb bumps and uneven pavement, making every ride smoother and more comfortable. Small road imperfections that would normally feel uncomfortable are barely noticeable, allowing for a far more enjoyable experience. I also appreciate all of the thoughtful details that contribute to the overall quality. The controls are intuitive and easy to understand, the display is clear and informative, and the lighting system provides excellent visibility for riding during early mornings or evenings. Every feature seems carefully designed to improve the overall riding experience without adding unnecessary complexity. What impresses me most is how dependable the Eskute T300 Pro folding electric trike has been. It starts reliably every time, performs consistently, and continues to feel just as solid as it did on the first day. The combination of comfort, stability, performance, storage convenience, and practical cargo space makes it stand out from many other electric mobility options I have considered. Overall, I could not be happier with my purchase. This electric trike has exceeded my expectations in virtually every category, including build quality, comfort, performance, reliability, battery life, ease of use, and everyday practicality. It has made commuting, shopping, exercising, and recreational riding far more enjoyable than I ever imagined. Every ride leaves me smiling, and it has quickly become one of the best purchases I have made in years. I would confidently recommend the Eskute T300 Pro folding electric trike to anyone looking for a premium, dependable, comfortable, and versatile electric trike that delivers an outstanding riding experience day after day.